Folks, get ready to turn it up to an 11. The 11th month, that is. November is upon us, and 2023 is getting closer to its finale. These offers are here to take us into the final stretch of this epic year, and in this batch we have not one, not two, but three new top offers. So get ready to hear about all of them, plus we'll revisit two of our classic 2023 bangers. So it's an exciting month and we're happy you're here for it. Before we get started, we'd like to have an honorable mention to a group called Onnit that has released a brand new product, and that is Alpha Brain. You might have seen it on Joe Rogan. It's a fantastic new supplement offer that has come onto ClickBank right in the e-com space. That's blending the line between the VSL, the DR, and the e-com. It is a great offer. You're definitely going to want to promote it. It is open right now. You can find it on the marketplace. It is amazing. Go find it, promote it, and tell us what you think about it. Now let's get to the top 5, and right off the top, in spot number 5, we have Tropaslim. Yeah, you might not have heard that before. It's brand new, baby. And it's a weight loss offer that hits the top offers list hot and fast. So, what is Tropaslim? It's a proprietary blend of all natural ingredients favored by women all over the world, also known as the Caribbean Flush. So Tropaslim is designed for women over 40 experiencing menopause and all of the related symptoms. So apparently these symptoms all stem from what is known as the menopausal parasite. Wow, that is a phrase that I never thought I would ever say out of my mouth, which sounds terrifying. So according to Tropaslim, 87% of women in the menopause era of their life carry this malicious parasite that causes sluggish metabolism, weight gain, interrupted sleep, and ultimately life-threatening issues like stroke and heart attack. Obviously, this offer is ideal for middle-aged women. It's doing great on YouTube, Facebook, Native, email, and more. So head over to the marketplace, visit their affiliate tools page. That's where you'll find their email swipes, demographic information, images, and more to help you get you started on your promotion journey. So let's get into those stats, shall we? So it's got an EPC out of the gate of 69 cents. It's got an average payout value of $145.56. It's got a hop conversion rate of 0.47%. You may be thinking, Michael, that sounds really low. Why would I promote that when there's other ones that are like 1% and whatnot? This one is hitting brand new in a month where, hey, let's face it, people aren't looking for diet and weight loss in October, November, December. So these are very good above average metrics that we see for a diet and weight loss in a very tough sledding month when you're trying to promote that. So that's why we're like, keep an eye out on this. That's why it's in our top 5, and you're definitely going to be one on this short list for when Q1 hits, and definitely hitting it hard because it's gonna convert like crazy once you get to Q1. So go promote it, start testing it. At number 4, we got BioVanish. In the great words of pop culture icon DJ Khaled, another one. BioVanish, another new offer, is in the number 4 spot, and it is awesome. It is a supplement that helps the body balance the fat-burning enzyme BHB. So BHB is that enzyme that provides energy to the body when the body doesn't have enough carbohydrates or sugar to burn, essentially causing the body to burn fat. So BioVanish helps people achieve keto results without the struggle of actually going keto. I mean, who can actually give up bagels? But the bacon is really like, it's tempting, like you'd really want to have a lot of bacon. But anyway, I digress. BioVanish is a powdered supplement, easy to stir into your favorite drink every day, and it has upsell opportunities, trendy branding, clean and compelling copy, it has standout reviews, blog materials, and much more. This offer is really full of potential for women of all ages. So head over to the landing page to truly see how great the offer presentation is. Then get your link from the marketplace to start promoting. It's awesome. Trust me, you're gonna want to do this. Now, you're gonna like these stats. EPC, $1.03. Average payout value, $137.18, and a hop conversion rate of 0.75%. Like I said with the last one, don't get thrown off by the hop conversion rate being below 1% right now on these diet and weight loss offers. It's in Q4, tough sledding, but it is doing really well with a bunch of headwinds and is doing really well on paid traffic despite all of that. So this is the time to test and get ahead of everybody else and have your offer, your pre-lander, and your funnel really optimized so you're able to take off in Q1. So go promote it, test it. Now, before we get to the rest of the top 3 offers, we just wanted to tell you about Spark. If you're sitting there at home being like, how do I get into this? I have a huge audience that I'm trying to monetize or traffic source, or I don't even know how to get a large audience or a traffic source. Where do I start with this? We have an awesome program called Spark that'll tell you about what the affiliate world all is about, how to get started on it, how to get promoted, and how to get your first sale. In addition to that, you're gonna need tools for that, a landing page builder, a funnel hacker, all of that. That is what Accelerator is there for. It is a nice, quick way, an easy way to get started and have the tools, and an inexpensive way to have the tools to get started really quick and making your first sale online. So go find it. It's probably in the link below that I'm pointing to right now that my editor's gonna be like, oh man, I'm gonna have to find this now. And go click on it and go and subscribe. It's awesome. And speaking of subscribing, click that button, because we need validation and love and care. And at number 3, we're here, the final 3. I didn't think you'd make it. I didn't think I'd make it, but here we are, and it's Neotonics. Over the last couple months, Neotonic has dominated the top offers list, and there's no guessing why. Neotonics is a dual action supplement gummy that promotes both skin and gut health, and Neotonics works to support gut health and speed up the process of cellular turnover, that tricky little mechanism that the body uses to replace dead cells with fresh cells. It comes down to the 12-ingredient proprietary formula. This supplement has 500 million units of extra strong bacteria ready to get into that gut and support skin health. This supplement is doing well in the women's health segment with plenty of reviews, testimonials, engaging copy. Neotonics is an exceptional offer that's showing that it has staying power, so check out the landing page today, then grab your link to see if this is the best offer for you, which I think you'll believe it is, because it has an EPC of $1.62. It has an average payout value of $156.81 and a hot conversion rate of over 1%. So if you're looking at this and being like, man, I died in weight loss, I am gonna optimize my page, but I'm not really getting as high of a margin as I'm looking, this is one to get your margin, especially right now because it's dry skin season. If you're up here in the north, you're wanting to make sure you're fresh and looking good into your 40s, 50s, and 60s, or is that just me? And it's great. It's a great offer and it's still doing awesome. So go promote it, get your links today. For the number 2 spot, I'm impressed, but I'm not surprised. It's Lean Belly Juice. Yeah, honestly, we weren't really surprised. It's Lean Belly Juice. It's an evergreen power that is truly remarkable. Like a Grateful Dead cover band, it just won't die. Even when you're pretty sure it's over, they still are alive. Why is a band called the Grateful Dead if they're still always alive? It's like this oxymoron that you just can't really face. Anyway, if you're unfamiliar with this power offer, Lean Belly Juice is a weight loss supplement that can be stirred into a beverage and sipped on every morning. It's effective, easy to take, and it does well across women and men. It's an appealing overall offer, and it just crushes everywhere on Facebook, on YouTube, on email, on native, and they continue making it better and better every single month. With an APV like this, it makes sense that this offer just sticks around. Affiliates love it, and so are customers, and the compelling VSL and affiliate tools are just really super helpful, and the reviews speak for themselves. It's great. So if you haven't already, we encourage you to check it out. Head over to the ClickBank Marketplace, get your link, start promoting it, start testing it. It's amazing. So what are the numbers? They're really good. We have an EPC of $1.06. We have an APV of $139.12. We have a hot conversion rate of 0.76%. And this has been around for over a year, and it's still killing. And it's just a huge compliment to their team that they continue to work on it, make it more effective, and make sure it appeals to as broad audience as possible. And you can't stick around this long if people don't like it. So go promote it. It's stable. It's awesome. Now, what if I told you at number 1, we have a brand new offer, Flow Force Max. It's a delicious prostate supporting candy chock full of all natural ingredients that restore prostate health, libido, and bladder, keeping them safe from all fungal infections. Sounds pretty wild, but it's true. And this offer is converting, and it's doing great. It's a candy intended to deliver a proprietary formula of all natural ingredients to the prostate and related regions, giving them a leg up against infections that can have dire and lasting consequences. And it's a hit. Taking Flow Force Max is as simple as chewing one of these candies every day, and the landing page says it best. It cannot be easier than this, and it really isn't. Obviously, this supplement is doing well in the men over 50 segment, so it has an awesome EPC, a great average payout value, and we really recommend you check it out right now and see what the hype is all about. You know what to do. Go over to ClickBank Marketplace, snag that link, and start promoting it. It is doing amazing. Seriously. Check out these numbers. Has an EPC of $1.30, has an average payout value of $130.61, which you might think, wow, that actually is lower than the other average payout values. That's because its conversion rate is over 1%. And yes, it is, one target market, only towards men, but it's doing really well. So you're definitely gonna want to get it, promote it. And speaking of this niche entirely in this vertical, men's health offers are just doing really well right now. So if you go to the marketplace right now, this is gonna be the best one there. But there are other ones there that are doing amazing. This vertical is really taking off. And hey, guess what? It's not dependent on Q1. It's just, for people, trying to get lean and skinny and brand new, brand year, brand new me and all that. So go promote it. It's awesome. Now, with that said, we have a bonus. A bonus? Yeah, we got yourself a bonus. Bonus! Yeah, we got all of that. So there is a brand new offer that is coming soon, and you're gonna recognize the other offers that these people have come out with. Exapure, Alpaline. Yeah, those bangers, those ones that made people lots of money, those ones that help people lose a lot of weight. Those people came out with a new offer called Purivive, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a banger. And it is coming soon. So you're definitely going to want to keep an eye out. Look out for the marketplace because it's gonna drop anytime on there. Keep an eye out down in the links below because it's going to pop up there anytime after this video. I don't know when. I can't see everything. I can see a lot of things. Like people think I'm a psychic. I was one of those people who's just like, I think Y2K is gonna be a thing. Did anybody listen to me? No, I was 12. My point is, this is gonna be awesome. Go promote it. It's gonna be a banger. So go out there, go make some money, y'all, make bank. And just as a last plug, check out Spark, check out Accelerator, because if you're a beginner or you're someone who's an expert at making content and you're looking how to monetize, get that course, get that product, and it'll be amazing. So go, like and subscribe. Peace.